GftK presents VDW Mortar Systems, quality for professionals. VDW 400+, the cementitious grout for pointing paving sets and slabs, polymer modified, waterproof and fast setting. VDW 400+ can be used for slab paving with narrow joints up to 3 mm, as well as for paving with wider joints, indoors and outdoors. The high-strength, cement-based grout is available in 3 colours, which allows the paving elements and the joints to be well matched in terms of colour. For fast, professional application of VDW 400+ grout, you will need the following tools, in addition to power and clean water supplies: a sufficiently long hose with spray nozzle, a rubber squeegee and a soft coconut bristle brush, plus plenty of clean sponges. For ease of cleaning medium to large areas, a washboy type machine is recommended. For very large areas, a powered rotary sponge cleaning machine is also recommended. Appropriate PPE should be worn when mixing and applying the cement-based grout, for example, gloves and goggles, etc. To achieve the best result, it's important that the paving surfaces are clean and that the joints are also clean and clear, with the required width and depth. Pre-wet the paving surfaces to saturation before applying the grout. This simplifies the grouting process, preventing absorption or adhesion to the paving surfaces. Remove any standing water before grouting. For absorbent natural stone in particular, we recommend pre-treatment and sealing the surface with VDW 950 3-in-1 protection, which gives optimum ease of grouting and reduced cleaning, as well as protecting the stone surfaces in future. Put up to a maximum of 5 litres of water per 25 kg bag into a clean mixing vessel. Then add the VDW 400+ and mix thoroughly to a homogeneous, flowable mortar. Smaller quantities can be mixed in the same ratio if necessary. Pour the freshly mixed mortar over the wet surfaces. Then, using a rubber squeegee, move the flowable VDW 400 mortar over the surface and into the joints. Continue using wet slurry techniques, moving the mortar over the paving, working it into the joints, ensuring the joints are topped up and filled to the required level. Remove any excess grout with the rubber squeegee. It's recommended to apply the grout working from the highest to the lowest levels. It can be helpful to keep the fresh VDW 400 mortar flowing across the surfaces with circular movements, to prevent the mortar from drying and hardening prematurely on the surface before the cleaning phase begins. After sufficient initial hardening time, and when the joints are firm to the touch, start to clean the surfaces. Use the soft brush with a light water spray, working diagonally to the joint, taking care not to wash grout out of the joints. Then use a fine water spray to rinse and remove any remaining grout. For the cleaning phase, the first operation is to remove mortar residues with a suitable washboy machine and sponges rinsed with clean water and using circular movements. The second and final cleaning operation is to remove any so-called grout haze, again using sponges and the washboy, working diagonally across the joints, rinsing the sponges after each pass until clean. Perfect result. Strong, waterproof joints, grouted for the long term with VDW 400+. For more information and the complete GftK paving range, visit